Thank you for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Today, let's take a look at Hatecoin, a basic faucet for earning free crypto. Let's begin by signing up with our Faucet Pay or See wallet email. Like most of the other faucets, once you log in, your dashboard will be on the left. Let's select Faucet first. Now solve the easy CAPTCHA in the middle of the screen. Click out any pop-ups, they might be malware. Great, your balance should be updated. You can claim every 6 minutes. While we wait for the faucet to reload, select PTC on your dashboard. Here you can watch ads for more coins, choose a website to visit, and watch the ad until the timer runs out. Now solve the easy CAPTCHA in the middle of the screen. When you're done watching the ads and have claimed enough coins, you can withdraw instantly to your Faucet Pay wallet. Go back to your dashboard and select Withdraw. You can withdraw to your Faucet Pay or See wallet account. After you're done, go back to your Faucet Pay account to make sure you have been paid. As you can see, my coins have instantly arrived in my wallet. Thank you for joining us here at Earning with Bits. Please like and subscribe.